We have Ashish Kyal joining in. Ashish, hi. Good afternoon. So it's been a very weak session so far, expiry coming up. What's your call? Index, if you have any trades, any advice, and of course, individual stocks as well.
Hi, afternoon to you and all the viewers as well. If you look at the index, the weekly chart has been failing to sustain above the prior week high. The daily has been bearish. On an hourly chart also, we can clearly see the pullback was temporary and we have again moved back below that 24,600 mark. So the overall undertone as of now is on the sell side. But rather than selling here, it's better to use the pullback to sell. So any pullback towards back towards the level of 24,620 will be an opportunity to sell there. With 24,680 as a stop loss and then aiming for the target of around 24,500, 24,480. I think that's where the index can possibly form some kind of a minor term lows as well. So I'm expecting a consolidation between 24,680 and 24,480 as the zone, but sell on rise is the tone. So from stock specific, Wari Energies, like you also named, has been up by more than 4% in today's session, has been an outperformer. A classic moving average crossover also we are getting. Volumes have picked up pretty well, so one can create long positions at current levels. Expecting a target of 3,600. One can maintain a stop loss of 3,300 on the downside. And the next stock is Dixon Technologies. Again, a very classic inverted head and shoulder, very big pattern. It's forming on the weekly charts. On the daily, some kind of a buying emerging from the lower levels. One can create long positions here, targeting 17,700 on the upside. Stop loss can be 16,200.
Ashish, Maruti and Eicher Motors, in a weak market, these stocks continue to rally, 3% up for the week, Eicher up 4%, fresh highs. Is there a trade?
Look at, if we talk about the sector as a whole first, the auto sector, I think, has reversal, has shown a very classic reversal on the upside. And Maruti has shown a spectacular move from that 13,000 mark towards that 14,900 already. So my suggestion would be use dips to buy rather than buying at the current level. Any move towards 14,620 on Maruti will be an opportunity to enter, aiming for 15,000 and above levels. And Eicher Motors, if you look at it, again, a very strong run-up has already witnessed here. It's forming a red candle on today's session, but overall undertone remains bullish. Any dip towards 6,100, buy at those levels, maintain stop loss of around 6,000 and then aim for the levels of 6,300.
Okay, got that. Thanks for joining in with those trades and always useful.